How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your G435 headset to your Xbox. So we are going to answer this once and for all, or if it's even possible. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually try plugging the actual dongle, but I believe it's not compatible with the actual Xbox consoles out there. So the first thing that you want to do is to just plug these dongles wirelessly or wired onto the USB port of Xbox, and from there you could just turn on the device and make sure that it is on the 2.4 gigahertz connection. Now, once again, that might not work because the USB dongle isn't supported natively on the actual Xbox. So you first want to try that, and secondly, you want to try switching to Bluetooth modes. But unfortunately, for a lot of Xbox models out there, Bluetooth isn't even applicable or isn't even on the actual console. So as of right now, it's sad to say that there isn't a way to connect your Logitech G435 headset to your Xbox. But of course, you could feel free to try the steps that I've mentioned previously, which is by using these connections right here officially on your console. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.